haters, don't be crazy to searching me which kind of channel that I'm doing all right there, because secret, not connected in here, only that. In here, maybe couple days or weeks, or I don't know, because just go live, because as I said again and again, I'm totally busy on mites who like it, because nobody knows that kind of account. It's me, my third channel. And by the way, people thinking that my fiancé account he's the only one who can open that, not me. Okay? So thank you for everyone there. Thank you so much. I just let you to know. Yeah. And I'm not also like longer also here. Huh?